almost fucking Christmas, and we are here with the fucking Christmas videos. Videos. Eh. I am so excited for this year Christmas. I don't fucking know why, but I just am. This is the look we're going to recreate. Pause. If you are new to the YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe to the channel because we like makeup, we like fashion, and sometimes we do fucking sit down videos. And y'all, this is the look we are recreating, and I am so fucking excited to show you guys this look because it's so fucking cute and good for Christmas. So let's I really want to keep this look as affordable as I can, but like there's always dupe of stuff, so like get your fucking dupe, okay? I'm gonna be using is the Be Perfect Cosmetic Carnival XL Pro palette. It's dirty and I've used this so much. It's a little sad, and we're gonna focus on the greens today. The green in this palette, I really like the dark green. It's called Nuke. So we're gonna focus the dark green on the outer corner, and we're not blending, we're just tapping it in. Tap this baby in. Y'all, I'm so excited for fucking Christmas. I don't know why, but just something about this year, like I have a lot to be thankful for, and this year has not been the best to me, but I have a lot to be thankful for, and I'm very thankful. So I really just wanted to like celebrate. Okay, y'all, now we're gonna go with the hype, and this is where we're gonna blend this dark green out. Take your time. I'm using a very flat fluffy brush just so I really want to be precise. I'm a fucking freak, y'all. So when I'm blending colors, I like to take my time with it and just make love to it. I will also recommend not adding a lot of product on your brush, because too much product, then you're gonna have to like work harder. Okay, babies, now I'm gonna go with the Revolution Makeup Revolution Linden. This is the palette. This is the Forever Flawless palette, and I'm gonna use this beautiful neon green. It's so pretty, and I'm just putting that right on top of the green. I'm taking a little bit at a time because I don't want to overpower it. So okay, baby, look how beautiful. Like you can literally see all the shade that we just added. So this is what we want. It's so cute. I'm gonna cut the crease. Whenever you see me cutting my crease or like using a primer, it's always e.l.f. I love the e.l.f. Hydro Caramel Concealers. Um, they do it for me. Okay, y'all, so it takes me a while to cut the crease because I am such a perfectionist. But this is the crease. It looks so good. From the Revolution palette, I do want to go with this silver. It's very pretty. Such a beautiful silver. I'm gonna go with that. Let's hope it doesn't fuck it up. Wow. Stunning. So stunning. Look how beautiful this is. This is so beautiful. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. Now all you have to do is just do your little cleanup with the dark green, and you're good. Okay, babes. Eyes done. They're looking pretty good if I do say so myself, and I do. Anyways, we're moving on to the base. I'm just going to like speed through this, and I'm just gonna show you guys what I'm doing. Okay, babies, this is the finished look. I hope you guys did enjoy this tutorial. This is like so freaking cute and so like Christmas vibe. I love how everything is just coming together and just complement each other so fucking well. Anyway, y'all, if you did like this video, don't forget to comment down below what more you want to see from me, and also subscribe if you are new, and give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys on my next video.